Hello, awesome friends. I'm so glad you're joining me again for another yoga adventure. Today we are going to take a trip to the rainforest, see what kind of things we find there. So to start off, we're going to go through each of the poses that we need for this yoga adventure. This one we know, we have our mountain pose. That takes us into our rainbow. And our rainbow on the other side. We also have our tree pose. We've practiced this one. You can either lift your leg nice and high above your knee, or below your knee, or rest your foot down, whichever is more comfortable. Let's try it on the other side. Your choice of how high you want to put your foot. Then we're going to take a forward bend. So reaching down, trying to keep our legs straight. If we can only go this far, that's totally fine. And then we're going to find our downward dog position. This is our bridge for our yoga adventure. Perfect. Coming down to our mat, we have our cockatoo, just kneeling. And we're going to look side to side. We're going to come onto our hands and knees. Head and tail up to the sky. This is our happy Jaguar. And the opposite, we look at our belly button, curl our back. This is our angry Jaguar. Coming down to our mat, lifting our body up, we have our snake. Coming down to our belly, arms back, lifting our arms and legs, we have our fish. Now this one's a little tricky. Coming down to our stomach, we are going to bend our arms next to our body. And we're going to lift one leg to the side. This is our lizard pose. And you can bring your leg back, and we'll bend our leg on the other side. Good job, everyone. That's our lizard pose. And our last pose, coming back here, this is our frog. All right, now that we know all of our poses, let's get going on our yoga adventure. Starting at the top of the mountain, there's a beautiful rainbow arching all the way over. Further down the mountain are some trees. It is the rainforest after all, so there are lots of trees. And there's a big waterfall that goes splash. Let's do that one more time. Go splash. And at the bottom of the waterfall is a river. To get across, we need to cross the bridge. Down in the forest are all the animals, including the cockatoo. He's looking around. Yeah, so watch out for the jaguar. But luckily, he's happy and not angry. Down on the ground are many snakes. And in the water, of course, are fish. And relax. Let's do that one again. Fish. There are also lizards. Bending that knee to your side. The other one stays nice and long. Now we're going to switch to the other side. Stretch that leg out and bend your other leg. Stretch that leg out, and we're going to become a frog. Nice work, everybody. All right, awesome friends. Today's variation for this yoga adventure, we're going to count to 3 in each pose, making sure that we hold it nice and strong. Here we go, starting in mountain pose. 1, 2, 3, over the rainbow. 1, 2, 3, all the way over to the other side. Big reach. 1, 2, 3. Coming down into the forest, finding our tree pose. 1, 2, 3. Other side. 1, 2, 3. Big splash over the waterfall. 1, 2, 3. To cross the bridge. 1, 2, 3. Coming down to our knees, visiting our friends in the forest, the cockatoo. Looking around. Coming into our happy jaguar. 1, 2, 3. Angry jaguar. 1, 2, 3. Coming down to our bellies, pushing up into snake pose. 1, 2, 3. Coming down into our fish. 1, 2, 3. Back down, bending our arms, bending one leg. 1, 2, 3. Switch our legs. Other side. 1, 2, 3. Stretching out both legs, pushing back into our frog. 1, 2, 3. Thank you everyone for coming out and doing another yoga adventure with me. To finish off, let's do our awesome cheer. Hands on in. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Awesome!